just a pretty girl.
Hello! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Des, your MukapGirl, and in this video, ginawa ko tong prom makeup look na ito. If you're interested to know kung ano yung mga products na ginamit ko and kung paano ko ginawa tong look na to, then please keep on watching, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So ayan, I started off with a clean face, nag-moisturize na rin ako, and now I'm going to use my eye lift cream from Quick Effects. For primer, gagamitin ko naman itong aking Elizzaveca Skin Layer Primer. To cancel out the dark circles under my eyes, gagamitin ko naman itong color corrector from Detail Makeover. Here, I'm using a brush to distribute the product all over my under eye area. For foundation, of course, gagamitin ko ang aking L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, and I am in the shade Fresh Beige. Ayan, ina-apply ko siya by parts of my face, and I'm just using a brush to blend it out. For concealer, gagamitin ko naman itong galing sa Abbamart na concealer ko, and I'm just using it under my eyes, sa aking forehead, sa bridge ng aking nose, sa aking cupid's bow, and sa chin. To set all the parts na nilagyan ko ng concealer in place, gagamitin ko itong aking Nichido Final Powder in the shade Creamy Glow. Para naman dun sa parts na hindi ko nilagyan ng concealer, gagamitin ko itong Belle na powder na to set it in place. For bronzing and contour naman, gagamitin ko itong Shawill Perfect Powder to carve out my cheeks, para din sa aking jawline, sa aking forehead, and of course, to contour my nose. And of course, because kilay is life, gagamitin ko naman tong Advance Eyebrow Kit para ayusin ang aking kilay. Of course, kailangan pantay ang kilay, so ayan. And now, for the eye look, una kong ginamit itong purple shade from this 5 shades eyeshadow palette ng Belle. Unti-unti lang akong nagdadagdag ng product sa aking brush until ma-develop ko yung intensity na gusto ko for this eyeshadow shade. And then, to deepen my crease, ginamit ko tong dark brown shade from my Fashion 21 Eyeshadow Kit. I made sure to blend this eyeshadow well para mas maging defined yung outer V and yung crease ng aking eyes. And then, using a fluffy brush, I made sure na well blended din yung purple shade and itong dark brown shade. For the inner lid naman, ginamit ko tong 3rd shade from my Fashion 21 Eyeshadow Kit. For the eyeliner naman, ang ginamit ko is this Nichido Liquid Eyeliner. For the rest of my face, ang gagamitin ko is itong City Color Highlighting Trio and yung pink shade yung gagamitin ko. Finally, to complete this look, ang gagamitin kong lipstick is from NYX and this is in the shade Can. So there you go guys, we've reached the end of this video and sana nagustuhan niyo tong prom makeup look ko. If you like this look and if you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you still haven't, please subscribe to my channel. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram at MukapGirl. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
I just wanna be part of yourself.